Hello. In this C++ programming video, I will be covering multidimensional arrays. These are arrays that contain other arrays, allowing you to store data in a grid-like structure. So what is a multidimensional array? A multidimensional array is an array of arrays. The most common type is the 2D array, which stores data in rows and columns. Our first example here is declaring a 2D array. This creates a 3 by 4 array, which is 3 rows and 4 columns. The second example here is what is called direct initialization. We are assigning every single value of the matrix. And then our third and final example in this file is what is called partial initialization, which only declares certain values of the array. Now let's get started with an actual program example. As you can see here, we are assessing elements in a 2D array. We do that by first declaring our array. Here we're using full or direct initialization. And then we are printing out certain values of the matrix. We do that by printing out matrix and then 0, 1 in the brackets, which means row 0, column 1. Again, we start counting in 0 in programming. So as you can see, row 0, column 1 is going to be 20. And then another example, matrix 1, 2. So row 1, column 2. So 0, 1, 2 is 60. Let us compile this example. And run it. As we can see, it prints out both 20 and 60. Our second example here is looping through a 2D array. Nested loops are the key to iterating through multidimensional arrays. As you can see here, we're declaring a similar matrix, and we are printing out each value. So first, our outer for loop is for each row, and our inner for loop is for each column. And then we print out the specific value followed by a space, and then when we get to the end of each column, we move on to the next line. So let's compile this. And run it. As you can see, it prints out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what are some common use cases? One is that you can store tabular data like spreadsheets. Another one is representing game boards in programming. And you can also work with matrices in math or graphics. A practice challenge for you: create a 3 by 3 array representing a tic-tac-toe board and then print it to the console using nested loops. So in this episode, you learned how to declare 2D arrays, how to initialize them, and how to loop through them with nested loops. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and leave a comment. Reach out if you have any questions. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and have a great day.